Did you know that poorly drafted contracts cost businesses an estimated $153 billion annually? Yet most professionals tasked with contract responsibilities have never received proper training in drafting or negotiation techniques. Organizations with inadequate contract drafting capabilities face serious consequences. They create agreements filled with ambiguities that lead to disputes, omit key protections that expose them to unnecessary risk, and accept unfavorable terms during negotiations. The resulting legal entanglements drain resources, damage relationships, and impede operational progress. Companies find themselves bound by problematic agreements that limit flexibility and create ongoing compliance challenges. For professionals, contract drafting deficiencies create immediate workplace obstacles. Team members struggle with contract language, unable to clearly articulate business requirements in legally effective terms. Negotiations stall as teams lack the confidence to propose alternative language or identify problematic clauses. The resulting uncertainty leads to delays, missed opportunities, and diminished professional credibility. This practical course develops essential contract drafting and negotiation skills through hands-on exercises and real-world examples. You'll learn systematic approaches to creating clear, protective agreements and effective techniques for securing favorable terms through skilled negotiation. Organizations benefit through improved contractual outcomes, reduced dispute frequency, and enhanced business relationships. The contracting process accelerates as teams develop confidence in drafting and negotiating efficiently. Risk profiles improve as agreements better protect organizational interests. Participants gain valuable skills that enhance their professional value and decision-making authority. You'll develop the ability to draft precise language that achieves business objectives while avoiding common pitfalls. Teams adopt more strategic negotiation approaches, securing better terms while maintaining positive relationships. Transform your contract capabilities from basic to exceptional. Develop the specialized skills that convert business requirements into effective legal agreements. Join us to master the critical competencies that protect your organization while advancing its strategic objectives.